Welcome to Maritime Destination. Today we have Captain Nalin B. Pandey. He is a CMD of Pentagon Marine Services Private Limited. He is also member of MASA and he is on various board of trust and many associations. Welcome Captain Nalin Pandey to Maritime Destination.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pandey.
Captain Pandey is a man of golden hearts. And my first question to you, Captain Pandey, you did excellent and very noble job in the beginning of COVID-19 by helping the migrants and the needy. How did you manage both that is shipping and social responsibilities together?
Yeah, yeah. Good afternoon. See, this is like first I tell you that I have also got help from many people from many corners in my life, and so it is not that I have helped somebody. I am just repaying what help I got from all the people, and I'm keep getting from everybody. So that is the first thing. My office front, I tell you the two side, like my office team, office staff. I got a wonderful team, very loyal, very motivated, very humble team, and they are used to do these type of social work for more than 10-15 years. Ever since we got together, they have been doing it. So it was not the first time that they were doing my team, but rather than the severity was different. Okay, but they were used to that. So what we did that we created 4 teams. Okay, 4 teams. So one was the office routine job, another was that we had some assignment for that, and the third was my family work. My daughter has recently joined doctor in Apollo Hospital. She has joined, so she required support, and the fourth one was we used to distribute the food ration and other things. So we made 4 team, and they all were doing their work, and in the evening we used to have a meeting on the phone, and we used to plan for the next day. So whatever way we could, in a small way, we just try to give back to the society. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
And how you manage your shipping part during that?
The shipping coordination.
Yeah, your business and all while doing this social
business.
responsibility.
See the business and all. I tell you that my as not only my team was very good, but my principal and the seafarers, they are very understandable, and whatever were the drawbacks because of the pandemic, because of the lockdown, the owners were very understanding type, and seafarer were very cooperative, very understanding type. It was not something that we were trying to impose. So everybody knew that what is the situation globally in India as well as outside India. So everybody helped. In the team, we worked as a team in the office, on the ship, and also the principal. Also the administrator helped a lot. The DG shipping helped a lot. So that made our job easy.
Correct. Now, second question, Captain Pandey. You and your whole family was COVID positive. Would you like to share with us how it affected you emotionally, physically, and professionally?
Yeah. Okay, this question many people have asked many times, and it was like my family, like I can say that we were taking the maximum precautions in the complex, the housing society where we stay. Also, among the shipping fraternity, also I can say that I started taking the precaution right from the March itself. Because I was getting the continuous news from Italy, France, UK, China. Our ships were there, people are there, principals are there. So we were taking. But nevertheless, in spite of all the precaution, still we got the COVID. So emotionally, like we did not expect, and we had. Okay, but thanks to that, we had an excellent team, and we had taken a lot of precaution of the COVID for the last 6 months. The effect of COVID was not much. We had a team of 12, 14 doctors in Bombay and outside Bombay. They were all joined, and they were looking after us, whole family, day and night, and medications were provided. The proper care was taken by the team leader, who was one Dr. Jayalakshmi, and also my brother-in-law, Dr. Pankaj Kumar. He is the CMO in Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh. So he was the team leader and monitoring every 2 hours, 3 hours. He was monitoring the parameters. So that part was taken care emotionally. Okay, physically, you can say that it did not affect much. It has affected, but not much, because we were taking all possible vitamins and precautions for the last 6 months, as it was cautioned by the government, by the NMMC, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, also friends, also media. Whatever they used to take, that you take the precaution like that, we have taken it. So that because of all that, the COVID effect was very mild in our family. And so that was the physically. And your third part was what?
Professionally.
See, the professionally, to be very transparent and precise, 4 days, 15, 16, 17, and 18 September, that I was out of work, because these 4 days I was feeling weak. But otherwise, these except 4 days, I never felt that I'm sick or I have the problem. And I was attending the meeting, and I was, being the part of my team, also the working for associations. And only thing that I could not come out from the house, that was there, that you have to be in the house. But being in the house with entire family and not indulge in any work outside, that also emotionally they brought together, more closer family, because you are all there for 15 days in the house, not supposed to go out. So that was a positive thing. We took it as a positive thing, that let's be there. We used to play carom board, chess, etc. And be there. Also talk with my friends, talk with relatives. This time I used to catch off my old friends and all. So that was a good thing.
Now, since the number of COVID patients is increasing, would you like to give any advice to the people in present situation?
If the COVID patients are increasing, I would say that we continue taking the precautions as the government is telling, municipal corporation is saying, also the media is telling that what to precaution to be taken. The doctors, now there are plenty of information available, so the people must take all the precaution. And basic precaution is that we wear the mask, we maintain social distancing, wash your hand, we sanitize, and if not required, not urgently, don't go out, you do the work from home. So they
Correct,
must do all that, that is to
correct,
help themselves, help the family, also to help the society.
correct. Now, my third question, Captain Pandey, there are positives and negatives both. Would you like to tell us your experience and views on this?
See, yes, it's a very good question. The pandemic, we never expected and we never imagined in my 50 years of life, and also this 23 years or so, never expected that this thing will come. But the positive thing was that entire nation I have seen that we got united to fight against the coronavirus. Entire nation, all organization got united. There was asked. And in shipping, I saw the our entire fraternity industry, whether it is company, whether it is a seafarer, whether it is DG shipping, government, Ministry of Shipping, shipping master, they all got united and they helped each other to keep the ships running. They got all. So if you see we got a tremendous help from the DG shipping, Every day they came out with some ease of doing business where the things were facilitated, and DG shipping went beyond the umbrella of shipping, and even they were talking with the custom, immigration, with the Ministry of Aviation, Civil Aviation, various ambassadors abroad for the charter of flights. So they did a lot of work. The association, even the cost was very high to do the crew changes. Still, we charter the flight and we send the people. The seafarer, they are worried because their family is here, and family is worried because the seafarer is there, away. But still, they cooperated with each other tremendously, and they worked on the ship. They did not stop the vessel anywhere. And in India, as you see that, the Indian government was the first one to come out with a standard operating procedure, and Indian industry was the first one to do the crew changes. Even the union, you can say the shipping union also helped. So I can see that everybody came together and they worked for one cause. So that was the positive thing.
Correct.
The negative part is that shipping freight came down. The shipping got hit very hard. Psychologically, it affected the everybody psychologically, because end of the day we are here to make sure that the owners makes money, the shipping flourishes. So that did not happen till now. Because of the lockdown, the demand of the goods came down. So that was the negative part, and I hope that things will improve in future very soon.
Yeah. Captain Pandey, Pentagon, your company is involved in various activities. That's training and ship management and many more. Would you like to tell how all has affected all the sectors?
See, the crew changes. The cost of crew change has increased more than 300%, 400% than what it was before.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I would like to thank the ship owner who is bearing the cost. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Pentagon, today, I don't have any crew who is staying on the ship for more than their contract. In the beginning, only whoever did more, we signed them off. We have made a policy that anybody who is going on the ship, and if the ship is in a place where there is a possibility to change, I have told them that I will sign you off 1 month before completion of contract. So even we are signing off the people before completion of contract. I say that you can go back early, but you sign join the family, even if it is more expensive to do the crew changes, frequent changes, but still we want them to come home earliest and join their family. So the financially it has affected. Now the expansion is on hold. As I told you in the beginning that my team was interacting with some of the prospective new client, but those things are not taking up because of coronavirus. Okay, lockdown. So that is their institute. Of course, institute is almost closed. You can say that hardly 10% of the revenue. So it has been affected, and I think that almost most of the institutes are affected badly.
Correct.
Yeah.
And your activities on the ports, you are doing some.
Yeah, we are doing the activities in port, and somehow we are able to manage the activity going on. It has reduced little bit, but going on because the port, all the essential goods come, so you cannot be shut down.
Correct,
But
correct,
the
correct.
cost of doing the business has increased. Now the pandemic, you can say it's a big negative part as a businessman, is that cost of doing every business have gone up by 200, 300%. Okay, I can say, see, if before lockdown, I had one person who is to finish the job in half an hour, okay, or maybe 6 hours. Now the same job is required to be done, and it takes 2 days, 3 days in advance planning. Before, if somebody has to communicate, he used to go by the local train or by the public transport. Now you require to have a taxi to
Correct.
go. So you can say that it takes more number of manpower, more number of hours, and also the money involved is much. So cost of doing the work has increased by almost 300%, 200%.
Thank you so much, Captain Pandey, for sparing your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.